Hi, I'm Nicolene from Let's Revamp Property Styling, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to style and also refresh your kitchen. Now, if you don't have budget or time, a really good tip is to place a couple of accessories. We always go for maybe 2 or 3 placements in your kitchen so that you still see a lot of bench space. Things like a basket with some pears, a cookbook, some plants, even glass holders with some pasta in it are really good options just to give a little bit of a, spruce up in your kitchen. Now, if you have budget and time, I'm going to give you a couple of really cool tips on how to just give a brand new look in your kitchen for minimum budget. Now, first, this color bench top, it was really good a couple of, years ago. However, in today's date, this dates a kitchen, this terracotta color. There's a couple of things you can do. Number one is to replace your bench tops if you've got, people that can do it for you, or if you handy yourself. Your local hardware store would have bench tops that you can cut to size and potentially install. And they're not that expensive. Another option is to use a product called Rust-Oleum. Now, Rust-Oleum is fantastic to just refresh your bench tops. It looks like little pebbles, they've got different colors that you actually just put on your bench top with a coat of varnish on top, and it looks like a brand new bench top. Another product you can potentially use is a paint called White Knight. Now, White Knight is specifically formulated for bench tops as well as tiles. Make sure that you get the right type of paint. For tiles, White Knight tile paint, as well as the laminated bench tops, you can tint in the color of your choice. If you use the tile paint, it's a gloss finish. And you can also use the gloss finish on your bench tops if you like. It will just ensure that there's a gloss end feel to it. Now, for the laminated normal bench tops, if you tint it in the color of your choice, it will pretty much look like this. It won't be gloss, it will be matte, but it will just change the whole look of your kitchen. So, and not for a lot of money, really. Instantly, you'll have a different look and feel.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.